Today we are going to understand about blockchain technology also. What do we mean by blockchain technology? To understand this, we need to understand about some important things related to this. Okay, I'll give you a story about a person, right, who built blockchain for the first time. Not blockchain, I mean like earlier it was used by US, I mean like US in defense. So US Navy SEALs, they used to use it. Okay, blockchain technology, but we will discuss start the discussion with, let's say, cryptocurrency. So there was a person whose name is Satoshi Nakamoto. What? His name is Satoshi Nakamoto. So Satoshi Nakamoto is a pseudonym. It's not a real name of a person. So if you see, there is something which is known as GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is basically a platform where if you are a software developer, for example, if you are a software developer, if you want to develop a software solution, if you want to develop a software, but like you know little bit about it, not everything, so you can start your project on GitHub. You can code about it and you can ask the community, software development community, to contribute in this particular project. Okay, GitHub is that platform. Okay, so you can seek help from other developers and then you can develop a project. So in the year of 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto started a project on GitHub and he said that he is going to build a kind of peer-to-peer transaction system where amount will be transacted between people. It will be a trustless system. What do we mean by trustless system? जैसे to understand about it, we need to understand about the history of exchange. अगर हम एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में चलेंगे, मिडिवल हिस्ट्री में चलेंगे, वहां पे करेंसी नहीं होता था. वी डिड नॉट हैव, लेट्स से लाइक नोट्स, फिएट नोट्स एंड ऑल. वहां पे क्या होता था? बार्टर सिस्टम होता था कि मेरे पास एक बकरी है, मैं उनको दे दूंगा, उनके पास चावल है, वो मुझे दे देंगे, काइंड ऑफ, राइट. सो ऐसे आपस में एक्सचेंज कर लेते थे चीजों को. उस चीज को हम बोलते हैं, लाइक वी कॉल दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एज बार्टर सिस्टम. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? Barter system. So what is barter system? In barter system, there are two persons, right? He has something and there is another person, he has something. They mutually exchange the goods that they have with them. ठीक है? They mutually exchange the goods that they have with them. जैसे वो बोलते थे, ठीक है, आपके पास एक गुलाम है, आप गुलाम को इधर भेजो और फिर यहां से जितना राशन लेना हो लेके जाओ. इट्स लाइक दैट. सो दैट वाज बार्टर सिस्टम. तो बार्टर सिस्टम में होता क्या था? देयर वाज वन लिमिटेशन ऑफ बार्टर सिस्टम. दैट लिमिटेशन इज नोन एज डबल एक्सचेंज ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. डबल मतलब इन बार्टर सिस्टम देयर वाज समथिंग व्हिच इज डबल एक्सचेंज ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. कहने का मतलब है इनके पास जो चीज है वो इनको चाहिए होगा और इनके पास जो चीज है वो इनको चाहिए होगा, तभी वो एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज करेंगे. मान लो इनके पास जो है वो भी इनके पास है, इनके पास जो नहीं है वो भी इनके पास नहीं है, तो देयर विल बी नो ट्रांजैक्शन. ठीक है, देयर विल बी नो ट्रांजैक्शन. तो दिस वाज अ लिमिटेशन ऑफ द बार्टर सिस्टम पहले. दैट्स व्हाई लाइक इनिशियली पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग गोल्ड कॉइन्स. गोल्ड जो है इन इकोनॉमिक्स व्हाट हैपेंस, something which is rare, they are expensive. Anything which is rare, that is expensive. जो चीज जितना रेयर है वो उतना एक्सपेंसिव होता है. इट्स लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तो गोल्ड वॉज यूज्ड फॉर डूइंग एक्सचेंज एंड ऑल. लेकिन गोल्ड, वी डिड नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ गोल्ड टू मीट एवरीवन्स रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ डूइंग एक्सचेंज. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन कंट्रीज केम, सो दे स्टार्टेड देयर ओन कॉइन्स एंड ऑल. तो कॉइन सिस्टम आया, अभी वो प्रिंटेड करेंसी वाला सिस्टम आया, अभी ये चल रहा है. लेकिन इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड दैट वी टॉक अबाउट, सो पीपल एक्सचेंज मनी विद वन अनदर. ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो मनी है आपके पास, अगर 10 रुपए का नोट है, उसमें ना आरबीआई के गवर्नर का लिखा होगा, मैं धारक को 10 रुपए अदा करने का वचन देता हूं. तो मतलब ये है कि धारक मतलब someone who has that note. आपके पास वो नोट है तो आप धारक हो उसके. If you come to me, the Reserve Bank, तो I have promised that I am going to give you value equivalent to 10 rupees. That's the thing. तो RBI गवर्नर का साइन वहां पे होता है, तो that currency is accepted. कि मतलब and law है इंडिया में कि मतलब like nobody can deny acceptance of currency which is released by the government, which is in circulation. ठीक है, it's like that. ठीक है, तो that's why आप किसी पान वाले के पास जाओ, नोट दे दो, वो लेके आपको पान दे देगा. आपको चाय पीना है, वो चाय दे देगा. इट्स लाइक दैट, यू नो. सो वो बार्टर सिस्टम की प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गई यहाँ पे. बट यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम क्या आया अभी कि देयर इज अ सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी लाइक रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया में रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. इन अदर कंट्रीज दे हैव देयर ओन सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी, राइट? दे हैव देयर ओन सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी व्हिच एक्चुअली रेगुलेट्स द सर्कुलेशन और फ्लो ऑफ करेंसी. रेगुलेट्स मीन्स अगर मान लेते हैं इफ वी कंसीडर कि लेट्स से सर्कुलेशन ऑफ करेंसी बहुत कम हो गया है, तो दे प्रिंट करेंसी एंड दे लेट्स से थ्रू द बैंकिंग सिस्टम दे रिलीज इट. ठीक है, देयर इज अ टर्म आल्सो रिलेटेड टू इट. कैन एनीवन टेल मी? अगर लिक्विडिटी नहीं, हाँ, अगर RBI has to print more money and it has to circulate.
Sir, it can't do so because sir asking not whether it's possible or not. Sir asking there is a terminology. You know, there are tools, quantitative tools and qualitative like that we have, sir. But means and advances can be.
Base and advances means basically like quantitative easing is something. I mean, like for this they print huge amount of money, they circulate, okay, through the bank channel. Like if they want ki more money must be printed, but they can't do it because like FRBM Act is there, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act of 2008. It says ki matlab like the deficit must not go beyond 3.5% or 4%, like that. That's why RBI is not allowed freely to print money to meet the demand of the government. So that's a different thing. But like over here, the circulation of currency is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. It increases repo rate, decreases repo rate. It has, let's say, quantitative and qualitative tools to control or regulate the flow of currency in the economy. Right? Central bank is playing role. So Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, he came up with an idea that earlier during the barter system, people used to trust one another. They used to do the exchange and they did not need any central authority like RBI and all, right? So he came up with this idea that like we are going to build a system where people are going to transact money among themselves. They are going to do transaction among themselves and there will not be any regulatory authority like RBI there. No central authority will be there, okay? So this particular thing is known as basically cryptocurrency. What? This is known as cryptocurrency. For example, if I say, if I have gold, gold is a kind of currency. उसको क्या बोलेंगे currency को? If we have a name for it, gold coin. No. अच्छा, ठीक. अगर हमारे पास प्रिंटेड नोट है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? प्रिंटेड नोट इफ यू हैव, इट इज नोन एज फिएट करेंसी. गोल्ड कॉइन एटसेट्रा दे आर, आई थिंक दे आर नोन एज बुलियन. Like these are basically economic terminologies, okay? Bullion, I mean coins are bullion, fiat currency and all. But this particular currency that we are talking about, it is a currency which is available digitally only. That's why its name is cryptocurrency. Okay, it is known as cryptocurrency. So Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to build a cryptocurrency in 2008 and he started this particular thing in GitHub. And he said that we are going to build a currency which will be peer-to-peer transactable. We do not need any central authority to regulate us, right? And this will be a kind of trustless system in the sense like people will trust on one another based on the architecture over here. And in 2009, in the year of 2009, right, a currency was made, a system was made that is known as Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is world's first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is world's first cryptocurrency. So he said, huh?
1 Bitcoin is
80 lakh rupees. Keep on changing. Yeah. High volatility is there in crypto market. Okay, we call it volatility. So first Bitcoin came. But the thing is, like, when we talk about currency, right, in economic terms, anything which is available in less quantity, that is more valuable. So here he said that there will be only 21 million Bitcoins in the world. How many? Only 21 million Bitcoins. Okay, तो he said कि इस सिस्टम में 21 मिलियन बिटकॉइन ही होगा. तो हाउ बिटकॉइन इज ट्रांजेक्टेड, सिस्टम है, एनीबडी हु वांटेड टू टेक अ बिटकॉइन, दे हैव टू, लेट्स से इनिशियली 1 बिटकॉइन वाज $1. किसने $1 दिया, उसको 1 बिटकॉइन क्रिप्टो करेंसी उसके अकाउंट में मिल गया. He had to, system है, he had to create an account over there. He transacted $1 and he got 1 Bitcoin. Other person transacted $100, he got 100 Bitcoin. So that Bitcoins was getting, matlab, like, you know, distributed among people. And then how the system is made accurate ki, matlab, I mean, like, you know, that nobody has, you know, Bitcoin in, like, you know, enormous amount and all. So there came something, a concept which is known as miner. Okay, related to Bitcoin, there is something miners. What they do mining of the coin.
One way of generating Bitcoin.
Yeah, they mining of the coin. They authenticate the transactions that happen on the platform. They authenticate the transaction. And as the number of transactions keep on increasing, the complexity of the problem that these miners have to do, it increases. Complexity जो मान लो initially अगर कोई ट्रांजेक्शन कर रहा है तो हो सकता है 33 + 55 पूछा गया तो he will write 90, ठीक है. But slowly and gradually as more number of transactions were happening, the problems that these miners have to solve, they increased. And this particular system, which is Bitcoin, it is built on blockchain technology. Now let us understand what is blockchain technology. ठीक है, यहां तक समझ में आया so far? So far, can we connect the things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us understand what is blockchain. So Bitcoin is made on a system. That system is known as blockchain. ठीक है, that system is known as blockchain. So what do we mean by blockchain? Blockchain is a system where all the transactions that happen, they are stored in cryptographic hash in this system, where they are stored in cryptographic hash in this system. For every transaction, there is a transaction kind of, you know, transaction number in the form of hash, which is there in this particular system. So, which is this cryptographic hash is visible to everyone, and it is a kind of, technically this is known as distributed ledger system. Distributed ledger. Now, what do we mean by ledger? Anyone BCom किसी ने किया? Commerce accounting? हाँ 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 बताइए. He said accounts.
Accounts के अलावा account कुछ होते हैं उसको ledger बोलते हैं जैसे मैं.
हाँ
Just accounts, record keeping book.
हाँ, देखो होता क्या, लेजर का मतलब ये है, अब किसी अकाउंटेंट से हम अगर मिलेंगे, ठीक है, पहले पीपल यूज टू कीप बुक विद देम कि बही खाता कि इनकमिंग कितने हैं, रिसीवेबल्स क्या क्या है, एंड एक्सपेंसेस क्या क्या है. उसमें इनकमिंग्स भी लिखते रहते हैं, एक्सपेंसेस भी लिखते रहते हैं. नाउअडेज दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर विच इज नोन एज टैली. मतलब दे यूज मल्टीपल सॉफ्टवेयर्स. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट यूज सॉफ्टवेयर इज टैली। तो यहाँ पे व्हाट दे डू, दे कीप द रिकॉर्ड, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग। क्या? रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग। रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग में क्या है? इनकमिंग यानी कि रिसीवेबल्स क्या है, एंड देन आउटगोइंग यानी कि एक्सपेंसेस एटसेट्रा, ये क्या क्या है। तो इस बही खाता में ये सारा इधर भी लिखते हैं, ये सारा लिखते हैं। अगर मान लो कि कोई डिफरेंस है इसमें, तो या नेट इधर आएगा या नेट इधर आएगा। इट्स लाइक दैट कि मतलब इनकमिंग ज्यादा है आउटगोइंग कम है तो वी हैव नेट सरप्लस, इफ इनकमिंग कम है आउटगोइंग ज्यादा है तो वी विल बी हैविंग नेट डेफिसिट। तो मतलब अकाउंटेंट्स डू थिंग्स इन दिस मैनर। नाउ द थिंग इज लाइक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लेजर सिस्टम, लेजर का मतलब होता है बही खाता, सिमिलर टू दैट वन। इसमें क्या होता है, जितनी भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स हुआ, any number of transaction that happens in this particular system, that transaction is stored into this system itself. Okay, so it is a distributed ledger. What do we mean by distributed ledger? It means the information does not stay in one server, in one system, with one person or with one organization. The information is stored across multiple nodes. ठीक है, across multiple systems. Okay, it is like internet. It is like internet. Okay. Yes, adding on nodes. So it is a distributed ledger system. Ledger मतलब बही खाता, distributed ledger system. Then यहाँ पे क्या है, all the transactions that happen, they get recorded in this particular blockchain. Any transaction that happens, it gets recorded on the blockchain, and these records are immutable. What? These records are immutable. What do we mean by immutability? Yeah, no one can edit and delete. एक बार कोई ट्रांजैक्शन यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड हो गया तो वो ट्रांजैक्शन ये रिकॉर्डेड ही रहेगा वहां पे। नो वन कैन एडिट, नो वन कैन डिलीट। हाँ, ठीक है। सो that's what makes this particular system trustworthy. That's why people have trust in the let's say like blockchain technology. ठीक है, दिस इज अनदर फीचर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग। ठीक है, तीसरा क्या है, एज आई डिस्कस्ड, नो सेंट्रल एजेंसी इज इन्वॉल्व। नो सेंट्रल एजेंसी इज इन्वॉल्व, लेट्स से ओवर हियर, जैसे आरबीआई वगैरह, नथिंग इज इन्वॉल्व। ठीक है, सो हियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, peer to peer transaction is happening. This kind of transaction is known as peer to peer transaction. ठीक है, मतलब मैं आपको पैसा भेज रहा हूं, आप मुझे भेज रही है, आप उनको भेज रही है, लाइक दैट, peer to peer transaction. No central agency is there. We do not have to, let's say, pay to any central agency. So this is known as blockchain technology. क्रिप्टो करेंसी जो है, करेंसी में क्या होता है, बैंक में यू हैव सम मनी, सो इन योर बैंक अकाउंट इट विल बी शोन। इफ यू टेक आउट सम मनी इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड एज डेबिट ट्रांजैक्शन। इफ यू डिपॉजिट सम अमाउंट सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन एंड ऑल इन योर अकाउंट। तो वहां पे हर एक चीज लिखा रहता है। इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ लेजर सिस्टम दैट द बैंक्स मेंटेन फॉर एवरी कस्टमर। सिमिलरली इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ लेजर सिस्टम, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लेजर सिस्टम। And this particular distributed ledger system is helpful for doing, let's say, n number of things, for n number of things. Let's say, agar it can have application in, let's say, like financial sector. It can have application in financial sector. And in India, basically ये वाला जो है trustless system है। कौन? Blockchain technology is trustless. Sorry, blockchain नहीं, क्या Bitcoin that we discussed. Bitcoin जो है, it is a cryptocurrency and ये no central agency is needed. But this Bitcoin is working on blockchain technology. जो underlying technology है, Bitcoin एक type का cryptocurrency है। We can use the blockchain technology to create any other cryptocurrency similar to blockchain. जैसे Ethereum है, that's also another kind of Bitcoin, another kind of cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency बेसिक चीज है, उसके कई सारे टाइप हो सकते हैं। जैसे मनी है, इंडियन रुपी भी हो सकता है, बांग्लादेशी रुपया भी हो सकता है, यूएस डॉलर भी हो सकता है, यूरो भी हो सकता है, इट्स काइंड ऑफ थिंग. क्रिप्टो करेंसी इज द whole thing and Bitcoin is a type of it. Okay, it's a type of it. And after this many such currencies came. इसके बाद और भी कई सारे क्रिप्टो करेंसी बने, but this is the first cryptocurrency in the world. And the thing is like but the thing is like if we talk about this particular technology, blockchain technology, this blockchain technology can be used for many such applications. If I talk about India has also adopted blockchain technology in many sectors. ठीक है? If I talk about India, in India also we have adopted blockchain technology in many sectors. For example, number one, if I say CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, huh? Currency. Digital currency, Central Bank Digital Currency. RBI has released CBDC, na? So in India, the Reserve Bank of India has come up with Central Bank Digital Currency. ठीक है? CBDC means, I'm just writing, Central Bank Digital Currency. CBDC means Central Bank Digital Currency. So let us talk about another thing. Let's consider you are a person. You have a bank account with one bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. He has kept 10 lakh rupees in the bank. He has kept 1 crore rupees in the bank, big person. Okay. So everybody has kept money over there. Then all of a sudden, one day that bank collapses. Okay. It goes bankrupt. You have deposited 10 lakh rupees. He has deposited 1 crore rupees. He has deposited another. Is this money that you have deposited secure in the bank? The answer is some portion of this money is secure in the bank. ठीक है? Some portion by default is secure in the bank, and this is guaranteed by the Reserve Bank of India. Earlier, that amount was low, I think 2 lakh rupees. Now it is 5 lakh rupees. आपका नो मैटर कितने अमाउंट है उसमें, अगर 5 लाख से ऊपर का अमाउंट है तो 5 लाख रुपए आपको जो है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मिल जाएगा व्हेन यू क्लेम. बट इफ यू हैव 1 crore rupees, only 5 lakh rupees is insured. You will get only 5 lakh rupees, rest of the amount is gone. ठीक है? This is the thing. Rest of the amount is gone. But when we talk about the CBDC, तो वो जो है, क्योंकि you were doing transaction with a financial intermediary. बैंक जो है मतलब like you were doing transaction with the bank. You had an account with ICICI, you had an account with HDFC, etc. ठीक है? हाँ. But when we talk about CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, if you hold Central Bank Digital Currency, here you are doing transaction with the Central Bank of the country directly. ठीक है? Central Bank of the country. All your money is like it is note. जैसे नोट होता है ना, गवर्नर का साइन है, ऐसे all your kind of money is with the central bank. तो you directly have an account with the central bank. So they have a retail CBDC and they have a wholesale CBDC. दो टाइप के. ठीक है? And across the world there are many countries in the world that have come up with their own central bank digital currency. ठीक है? लेकिन मतलब ये है, it is based on blockchain technology. But कौन सा क्या है नहीं है, internal they have not shared much data, but they have a concept note. RBI. हाँ, pilot project मतलब they have initially launched wholesale CBDC. ठीक है? Some banks have started doing transaction on that also.
In some areas of Rajasthan, they have started pilot projects. In retail.
हाँ, तो this is the thing. So are we understanding कि ये जो blockchain है, what can be the application? It can have application in supply chain network. Supply chain network. जैसे logistics sector. मान लेते हैं for example, you are sending some goods from here to Karnataka. He is sending to Andhra. ठीक है? So it will be through DTDC and all. वो जो tracking वाला system है, there we can have the blockchain technology. जिससे मतलब वो सारा डेटा रहेगा ऑलवेज. ठीक है? काइंड ऑफ वी कैन हैव इट्स एप्लीकेशन इन फिनटेक, फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, वी कैन हैव एप्लीकेशन इन लेट्स से लॉजिस्टिक्स सेक्टर. supply chain thing. It can have application in many areas. And in fact, in India, we have had a portal which is known as ONDC. What is ONDC? Yes, Open Network for Digital Commerce. ये है क्या? This is similar to Flipkart. This is similar to let's say Amazon, like that. ठीक है? तो वहाँ पे Amazon में जो seller है, they have to pay a huge amount of money. ठीक है? मतलब like कमीशन लेता है वो. And ये जो है इसमें या फ्री है या बहुत मिनिमल चार्ज है. It is like a platform which is for all the kind of companies. मतलब MSME छोटे बड़े, so they will not be negatively affected. ठीक है? इसमें ओला उबेर दे कैन बी अ मेंबर ऑफ इट. इसमें पेटीएम वगैरह दे कैन बी अ मेंबर ऑफ इट. मतलब इट इज अ सिस्टम जहां पे फिनटेक भी आ सकता है, ये ट्रैवल कंपनीज भी आ सकती है, ग्रोसरी डिलीवरी वाले भी आ सकते हैं. हाँ, लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया केम अप विद दिस थिंग. ठीक है? दिस इज ओपन नेटवर्क for digital commerce. It is operational. Okay, open network for digital commerce. So this particular topic, blockchain technology, it is important. Okay, so we have understood the blockchain technology through cryptocurrency. Matlab cryptocurrency is the best application of blockchain technology. Let me quickly showcase what can be the other applications of blockchain technology. You see, blockchain technology can be connected with cloud storage, server, user, data store, identify blocks. I mean, like they have here talked about कि उसके अंदर का वो क्या है infrastructure. Let me give an example. हाँ, this is where these are the areas of application of blockchain technology. ठीक है? Battery exchange stations, mobile terminal, smart grid, vehicle services center, charging stations, charging piles. Station मतलब जहाँ पे बाइक्स चार्ज हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कार चार्ज हो रही है, like that. ठीक है? मतलब in all these areas record keeping is needed. So there blockchain technology can be useful. Smart contracts में भी यूज होता है. ठीक है? स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं, सेल्फ एग्जीक्यूटिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं, लाइक दैट. ठीक है? द फ्यूचर ऑफ ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी. सो इंक्रीज्ड अडॉप्शन अक्रॉस इंडस्ट्रीज, integration with the emerging technologies, development of regulatory frameworks, and focus on sustainability. So these are the things, I mean, like blockchain technology is being adopted in different sectors as people are being aware, right? They're finding it is useful. So this technology is being adopted.